So this is what it should look like now. We've got the cooled off apple filling, and you see the crumble should be really crumbly like this, you see. We've mixed it all, okay? Alright, so now we're going to work on the pie filling, the pie crust. Okay, so now what you want to do, once you've worked the dough for about a minute or two, combining all of those ingredients, what you want to do is flatten it out into a nice kind of circle, maybe a 1/4 inch thick. And we're going to wrap it in plastic and leave it in the fridge for a couple of hours. And there you have it, nice and flat. We flattened it out, and now I put saran wrap, and we're just going to wrap it and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and it'll be much easier to work. You kind of want to work this dough like you would a pizza dough, right? You want to fold and turn until it has a nice consistency. Alright, let's wrap it up and put it in the fridge.